This is MRG solar panel cleaning robot. There are many features. 1. Automatically correct and adjust to prevent machine deviation and jamming. 2. Stronger obstacle crossing ability, capable of spanning over 50 mm misalignment of flat or end faces. 3. Applicable to various arrangement areas and various power stations. 4. Intelligent control, grouping, control by mobile, automatic cleaning time and cleaning mode can be set. 5. Self-charging comes with a solar power system. 6. Automatic edge sensing technology to prevent the robot from sliding down and avoid danger. 7. Adjusting the brush up and down. 8. It can be equipped with transfer vehicle, applicable to various arrangement areas and various power stations.